Welcome to our channel. The source not supported error on Chromecast usually indicates resolution or compatibility issues. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix this problem. Step 1. Unplug your Chromecast from the HDMI port and power source. Wait 30 seconds. Then plug everything back in to perform a basic restart. Step 2. Ensure you're using the original power adapter that came with your Chromecast. Insufficient power from USB ports can cause errors. Step 3. Try a different HDMI port on your TV, as some ports may have compatibility issues or may not support the resolution your Chromecast outputs. Step 4. Check your TV's HDMI settings and make sure HDCP, high bandwidth digital content protection, is enabled for the port you're using. Step 5. In the Google Home app, go to your Chromecast settings and check the display settings. Try lowering the resolution from 4K to 1080p. Step 6. Update your Chromecast firmware by opening the Google Home app, selecting your device, tapping settings, and checking for system updates. Step 7. Factory reset your Chromecast by holding the button on the device for 25 seconds. This will erase all settings and often fixes persistent errors. Step 8. If the problem continues, test the Chromecast on a different TV to determine if the issue is with your Chromecast device or your TV's HDMI compatibility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.